What's going on, everybody? It's another beautiful day. It is extremely muggy. Today we are on our way out to meet up with a photographer and a model to do some photos with the H2. He invited me out to do this. It's pretty cool of him. He reached out to me through my friend at Shutterfield, hooked me up with this guy, and he really wanted to get some really nasty bikes to take pictures of with her to expand her portfolio. From my understanding, it's going to be a lingerie shoot, which I'm not opposed to at all, you know. Obviously, if she's got to wear lingerie, I guess I can hang. I guess I'm okay with that. You know, she's like one of the only people I guess I'll let on the H2 because she's going to be half naked. So, not only are we going out and do that, but he also wants to use it in a movie. He wants to have her write it into the scene. I don't know. I would shout out the name of the movie, but honestly, I don't know a whole lot about it. He just asked me to come out here, take photos, also asked me for the opportunity to use it in the movie, which I'm pretty cool with. Granted, she doesn't wreck my H2 on a 10-foot entrance, which I really hope she knows how to ride that thing. It looks like Brian wants to give the old smack down to the ZX-10. Let's see how this goes, boys. Tyler got the ZX-10 as his first bike. He's been talking mad crap to him. He's coming around on the big end. Another one for the R1, taking the Cowie through the dirts. Said, take that ZX-10 home, boy. Put some training wheels on it and bring it back out. Maybe you'll stand a better chance. I'm not going to be too hard on him. Tyler is learning how to ride motorcycles in general on that bike, which is a lot of bike to learn how on. Said, that R1 is a force to be reckoned with. Said, ZX-10 down. Said, another one. Out! Does old Boo Boo want a little bit? See, she wants a little bit of big nasty. Come here, little girl. We say night-night! We say night-night! That's real Kawasaki power, brother. Can't get too far ahead here. My girlfriend's coming out. She's, hey, babe. What you doing? Oh, looking good in that truck. Oh, what's up, girl? What's up, girl? Hey. I let her drive the old F-150 every once in a while. Let her feel like she's Ford tough, you know what I mean? That power, twin turbo V6 power. Yeah, I don't know what's in store here. If anything, I'm gonna get some pretty sick photos, I would think. Really happy that this dude's letting me come out and do that. On a side note though, I washed the H2 for the first time today since it's been coated. We did like 600 miles the other weekend when we were out with 650 Eve and them doing some smackdowns, and she was filthy. And the ease of washing this bike with an IGL Kenzo ceramic coating is unreal. I mean, I would be washing bikes for 30-40 minutes just to make them look good. Not anymore. 10 minutes, all said and done. Took the leaf blower, all the water just flung off this thing. Shout out to my good buddy over at Klein's Detailing, Eric Klein and Brian Raby, for taking care of me on the H2. If you ever need any detailing, ever need a ceramic coating, those are the guys hands down to go to. We're about to go get lost in downtown, boys. We have no idea where we're going. I'm following her. You know how women are with directions, so this is gonna be a lot of losing stuff. He knows what's up. He liked the H2. Holy muggy, it is extremely muggy out here. Look at that building. That building's pretty sweet. That'd be a great spot to take some pictures. We should just line them up in front of there, do some pictures. H2 would set that building off. I can just see it. Just see it right there. Skiddly-doo! The H2 is not meant for this. Alright guys, we are out here with Samantha and Skylar doing a photo shoot on the bike. I don't have my external mic kit with me, so I'm going to do my best not to talk. I'll put some music or something over the back. This is the photo shoot. I'm going to link both of them down in the description, so if they have any content, anything they want to put out in front of you, they can do that. Without further ado. Alright guys, we're all done with the shoot. We are on the way back home. That was pretty cool. I've never done anything like that before, with actually meeting with a professional model and the photographer and all that good jazz. I don't really know what I was doing with the shots for my video, so hopefully those turn out good. I'm going to do some editing, probably put some music in the background just so that it sounds good, because it was kind of windy up there. If the audio is okay though, I'll leave some of the audio, but I'll make it look all fancy for you guys. So I got the scoop on what the actual Instagram, well, it is an Instagram series is what it is, that he wants to use my bike in. I will link his channel to his Instagram down below so you guys can find that. He's wanting to start filming, I guess, early June, so pretty soon. I'm pretty much gonna have to have my girlfriend ride the bike in. I'm gonna train her how to just putt around on the H2, because to be honest, I don't want just some random model riding my H2 in. I'm scared she might like drop the bike or something and then it's a really bad day. It was pretty cool. He did that for free. He just wanted to really build her portfolio, and he's gonna link me some of that stuff, so I'll put it on the gram. And if he sends me some film, I'll put it in this this video, because I'm sure his film looks a lot better on that fancy camera than my freaking GoPro, you know. But it was cool getting out, doing something a little different. Let me know if you guys like this. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. What's hotter, the girl or the bike? Just let me know what you think. I know my opinion there. But we'll probably be out again here soon, getting back up with the Cleveland boys. But till then, like and subscribe as always, and just let me know what you thought of the shoot, if it was cool, if I should do more stuff like this for you guys. Till next time, peace.